Hello, friends. I'm trying to make a mug cake and I'm using these are the ingredients Quaker oats, peanut butter, milk, vanilla extract or essence, cinnamon, baking powder, nutmeg, and one egg. So, guys, come on in and let's make it together. So, guys, this is what you need to take out when you're making or using eggs. This is something you have to take out, otherwise, the egg tastes funny. So, as usual, when you're fixing a cake or baking a cake, this is the first thing you do is whisking the eggs. And I'm using a spoon. You can use like a fork, or you can use a whisk, or you can even use anything that you would like to use just to whisk the egg. Okay, guys, so this is how I will whisk it. Well, nice and frothy. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix all the other ingredients in now. So I'm using 1/8 of a teaspoon vanilla extract in there, or vanilla essence. And give it a good whisk again. I'm gonna be using 2 tablespoons of the evaporative milk. And give it a good whisk, or at least mixed well, before we add the other ingredients in. And I'm trying to just get a pinch of the cinnamon spice in there, and a pinch of nutmeg also, just a pinch. And we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, the creamy peanut butter. And there is the peanut butter. I'm gonna mix it up now. So we're gonna make our own oats flour from the real oats. If you guys would like to make it, or if you already have oats flour, you can mix it with it. But I'm making it from scratch, so I'm using the real oats. And there you go, from the oats to the flour. And then we're gonna mix it into the cake. So mixing in the peanut butter, and we're gonna go ahead and mix in the flour with the baking powder now. The oats flour, sorry. And we're gonna be using 1/8 of a teaspoon baking powder. Mix well, and we're gonna pour into the mug, put into the microwave to bake for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna have a delicious mug cake. So let's give it a try and see the result. Remember, I didn't use no sugar because we're trying to make it low fat and gluten free. So guys, if you're someone who can tolerate peanut butter, this is a cake for you. So look how nice and creamy it is. So we're gonna put it in the microwave now to bake. So it is called mug cake. So we are gonna bake it in a mug. So it is in the microwave for 2 minutes. It's working there now. It's baking. Look at that, guys. It's almost bubbling up already. It's all done, guys. We're gonna take a look at it. Wow, look at that. We did it. We did it, guys. We did it. See? We made it. It's delicious. I can't wait to give it a try. So let's give the mug cake a try. Nice, soft. It's hot, but it's delicious. Not too sweet. So if you guys would like to give it a try it out. You will love it.